Yeah, good evening, guys. Good evening, all. Good evening, guys. I'm audible. Yeah, any doubts in string programs, guys? Till now, anyone having doubts? No, very well done, guys. Very good. Today, we will start a new topic, guys. That is arrays. Can anyone tell me what is array? Can anyone tell me what is array? Definitely, I will explain what is string buffer and string builder, right? String buffer and string builder both are same as string, guys. Okay. String buffer and string builder both are a same as string, but string buffer in string buffer and string builder, these two are not mutable. Okay, these two are mutable. String buffer and string builder are mutable, guys, as string is immutable. String buffer and string builder is mutable. Understood? Yeah, tell me what is array? Array is a collection of similar data types. Okay, done. Next. Next. What is a array? Tell me what is array, guys. Yeah. See here. Array is a, you can say array is a collection of data. Okay. Array is a collection of data. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. The collection of data is called arrays. In simple words, you can say. But in Java, arrays are collection of similar data types. Collection of similar data types. You can say homogeneous. Arrays is a collection of homogeneous data. In this, I am storing, it is a array of integer type array. Okay, you can say this is a integer type array. Like this, you can refer. Okay. Now same like this. Now I will write a string type array. String array b equal to set of hi, hello, bye. Like this is a array, guys. Okay, this is a set of This is the set of string array. Okay, these are all strings, individual strings. It is a collection of string array, string data type. And clear? What is a array? In simple words, you are clear, right? What is a array? There are two ways to write an array, guys. Okay, how to create an array in Java? How to create an array? There are two ways to create an array. Two ways. In two ways, you can create an array like this. See here, one method is like this. This is the first method. By this, you can create an array. And one more method is int array a equal to new int of 5. Here, whatever I am passing as an argument, this will be the size of the array. Okay, this will be the size of the array. It will be the length of the array. Whatever the value I am passing here, it will be the length of the array, guys. Okay, it will be the length of the array. Now, you may ask one doubt, sir. Here we are specifying data in index 0, 1 is there, index 1, index 2, index 3. But here, if I write a of 0, this is the index, right? A of 0, a of 1, a of 2. This is the way to get data from a array, guys. Okay, this is the way we use to get data from a array. We call it index. Now tell me what will be the output. What will be my output? Here I am not specifying any values. Just I am specifying the length of the array. I am creating a empty array. That means like this. Like this array is created. Just this means like this. Okay. Here I am not assigning any values. The default values will be assigned, guys. Okay. For integer, default value will be 0. For string, default value will be null. It's not garbage value. Default values are assigned. Okay. For integer type, it will be zeros. For string type or object type, it will be null. For string type or object type, it will be null. Understood? These are the advantages of arrays, guys. Advantages and usages of array. Definition, advantages of an array. And there is one more advantage, guys. Can anyone tell me advantage? One more advantage of using array? Can anyone tell me what are the advantages of using an array? In arrays, we can arrange the data, right? We can arrange the data using some methods, using some techniques. Assume that my array is like this: 2, 4, 1, 0, 20, 10. Is this in order, guys? Did this array is in order? Is this in order? No. By using some techniques, by writing a program to arrange this, we can arrange like this, guys. Okay, however you want, you can arrange in ascending or descending. However you want, you can arrange 10, 20. Okay, like this I can arrange. And then one more advantage is you can get a specific element. You can get a specific element. I know that in this container I have 10. I have 10. Okay, I need the value of it. I need the index of it. Okay, I know that in my container there is a 10. Assume that in my class there will be Rahul. I know there is a person called Rahul in my class, but I don't know his roll number. I don't know his roll number. For that, I will check the register, right? By seeing the register, I can get the roll number of it, Rahul. Are you able to understand? I can get the index value of it. And tell me, guys, how many types of arrays are there? My question is, how many types of arrays are there? Two types. Okay, well done. What are they? Then name it. Well done, guys. Okay. Single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Okay, it is not two dimensional, it is multi-dimensional, and you can say it is one dimensional also. Okay, single or one dimensional, you can say single dimensional array or one dimensional array, and another one is multi-dimensional array. Understood, guys? Today we will learn what is single dimensional array, and we will see 2 to 3 programs on single dimensional array. Later, if possible, I will explain multi-dimensional array also, and I will show a program for it. Otherwise, in tomorrow's class, we will see one practical example for multi-dimensional array. Okay, not multi-dimensional array, for arrays. For arrays, we will see a real-time program. That is what are the program the interviewers may ask. If possible, only I will teach the multi-dimensional array example. Otherwise, I will just simply explain what is multi-dimensional array in simple words. I will explain a simple example for it. I won't explain a big example because we are lagging in time. If you want a real time example, you need to skip this. Otherwise, sir, we don't want a real time example. We don't want interview question. Then I will explain for this. You can choose for it. Let's don't waste our time. We will go with Yeah, tell me guys. Now before starting my program, okay, let me explain a basic thing, okay? Before going to the main program, let me explain a basic program. Now I want to write an array guys, okay? Int array a equal to it's my array guys, okay? Like this I have created one array. Tell me how to print this array guys. How to print elements from this array. By using for loop we can iterate, right? By using for loop we can iterate the elements. You know traditional for loop and as well as for each loop, right? You guys are familiar with traditional for loop. That means initialization, condition and increment decrement. Or you can use for each loop. Now I will use for each loop. See guys. Now I am getting all the elements, right? You see I am getting all the elements. Now my requirement is, you know this array, right? Now my requirement is, see, observe carefully. I have like this one array. I know this array contains 345, right? I know data. Increase your video clarity, okay? If it is blur. Try to watch it in minimum 480p, okay? 480 or 720p 60 fps. Now my requirement is, I know that my array contains 345, but I don't know the index value. While explaining for each loop, these all things are done, okay? Every time b will be the first element. In first iteration, b equal to 1. In second iteration, b equal to 2. This is the syntax for writing a for each loop. Without this also you can write it. For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus, this is the another way, okay? Here index starts with 0. That's why I am writing I equal to 0. In first iteration, a of 0. First element is printed. In then I plus plus, I will become 1. Next, a of 1. That means at index 1, what are the element it is? 2 is at index 1. So it will print. You can see the same output. It is the syntax for writing a for each loop, okay? Now follow my question guys. Now I have an array like this. This is my array. I know that in this array somewhere 9 is present. I know this already. In my array element 9 is there. But I don't know the index value. I want that index. How to get it guys? Please answer my question. That is called linear search guys, okay? By searching we will find the element location. First I will take this, I will compare with this, both are matched or not matched. Then I will take this, like this, every element is compared. When the element matches, I will return the index value. When the element matches, I will return the index value. this we call it this we call it linear search. See here, this process we call it linear search, guys. Okay, first I will take array here. Like this I have an array. Now for searching I will write a somewhere I have done mistake. Okay, here I have already written. Okay, you can write like this, guys. Okay, you can write like this is the way you can write, or you can write like this also. Okay, however you want you can write it. Now I will write a method. Search method. For calling this method, I need to provide a array, right? I will provide array and I will provide the element. Which element I need to search and in which array I need to search. Understood, guys? Why I am taking these two parameters? Are you able to understood? Please respond, guys. If you respond only, I need to complete today lot of programs. After this, I need to tell you a sorting technique. After that, I will explain multi-dimensional array also. If you are fast, I will explain a beautiful program in multi-dimensional array. This is the array. This is the element. This element should be searched in this array. For that, I will use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. Like this I have created. Now, someone has said already, right? Correct. If array of I double equal to element, that means if both are equal, return I. Return -1. If it is not present, then I will return directly -1. Understood, guys? Are you able to understood this? Any doubt in this program? Yeah, guys. Sorry. Understood, right? Now I will search system.out.println. In this, I will call search method with a, and tell me which number I need to search, guys. Tell me a number. Can I go with 28? See here. The index is, it is giving me the index of 5. Let me search. Is this correct or not? The output is 5. Let me check. Is this correct or not? Okay. This is the index value is 0, right? For this index is 0. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I getting the correct output, guys? Am I getting correct output? Yeah, someone is saying 561. Okay, let me check 561 also. I am getting 6. Now let me check a unknown number. Like this I have given. It is giving -1. It is giving -1, guys. If that element is not present in the array. If that element is not present in the array, then it will return -1. Understood? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts in this program? If you are done with this, now I will post a poll. Tell me if you are done with this. I will tell you a sorting technique. Respond to the poll fastly, guys. If you are done, I will go with the sorting technique. I will tell you a beautiful sorting technique. After that, we will go with multi-dimensional array. In that, you will learn a beautiful program, guys. Multi-dimensional array. You can perform magics. You can print patterns by using multi-dimensional array. Now, for you, I will tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I need to print. Then again, I need to print like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after 10, I need to print reverse order. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to print like this. Then after that, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Like this I need to print, okay? In middle it will come 25. It's not 10. 10 will come here, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this it will come. I think so only 20% people are having doubts, but they are not asking any doubt. That means they are simply saying yes, yes, yes. If you have really a doubt, ask me. Then see, guys. Now I will tell you a search program. Sorting technique. Now I will tell a sorting technique. That name is binary sort. Not sorry. Bubble sort, okay? Now we are going to see a program called bubble sort. The name itself says bubble sort, guys. Tell me. Bubble sort means like this. I have an array. I need to arrange all the elements in order. In this array, I need to sort. I need to arrange all the elements in order, guys. But this is not at all a good one. Now let me take one more, okay? Yeah. For this, I need to arrange a in descending order. Okay. How can I arrange, guys? Tell me the how can I arrange for this? First, I will compare these two. Then I will compare these two. Like this, I need to compare, right? By comparing, and I will, if I find like this I will compare these two. Let me tell me in clear. If I compare these two, which is small, this is big, this is small. So I will swap this. After that, I will compare next two. I will compare next two. Like that, I will compare each element with all the elements. See the program, guys. By seeing the program, you will understand. Now let me write a program for method for it. The argument is array because I need to sort elements in a array, right? Now, see, guys. For iterating elements, I will write a for loop. A dot length. Okay. Now I will write like this. I plus plus. Then this is the first element, right? So by this loop, I can get first element. Now I got one. I need to compare this one with remaining all elements, right? I need to compare with this, this, this. Like palindrome program, print all possible palindromes program. Like that, I need to compare all the elements, right? With the all the elements, and I need to arrange in the specific location. Are you able to understand, guys? Please answer. So first I take one number. I have taken that, and I need to compare with remaining all the digits. Understood or not? You guys won't respond, so I will go with the flow. Then I need to compare with another element, right? For that, I will take one more for loop. So this for loop will tell me the second element. So you guys already know swapping program. If a of j is bigger than a of j plus 1, swap the elements. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. This is the program. Now by see carefully and tell me. You guys already know for loops and indexes. If you see carefully, you can find a mistake in my program. I am giving the hint also in the for loops. There is a mistake. Tell me what mistake I have done. If I run it, you will see. See the program. I am writing the just printing logic, guys. Okay, I'm writing printing logic. I'm giving time to identify the problem. See the problem and tell me that what is the problem in my program. Okay. See, if you want, I can run and show you. Okay, what problem I will get. What is error I am getting, guys? Exception in main thread. Index out of bound exception. That means I'm specifying a unknown element. Here, see. This is a for loop. I need to iterate for all the elements. Here I need to place -1. Okay, because whenever last element is came, I am doing +1, right? If you see here, now assume that j equal to 5. My array size is 5. Okay, my array size is 5. J equal to 5. If I go with j plus 1, when I go with j plus 1 element, sixth element, right? A of 6, A of 5. This will be satisfied. For this, you will get a array out of bound exception. Am I correct, guys? For this, because I am comparing with a of j with j plus 1. That means next element. Next element. If I am the last element, I am at the last element. That means if I am at this element, my j is pointing to this element, a of j. I am pointing to this. Now I am trying to access a of j plus 1. Is there any element after this? Is there any element after 9? Tell me, is there any element? A of j is pointing towards 9. That means assume that the index is 10. J contains 10. No. That's the reason why I will get array out of bound exception. Okay. Index out of bound exception. For that reason, I am running loop for before one element. Understood? That means whenever a of j becomes 2, here a of j becomes 2, I will stop the loop. I will stop the loop. That means a of j plus 1 will store it, will indicate 9, will refer 9. Understood, guys? Whenever a of j is the last but one element, I will stop the loop. That means a of j plus 1 will indicate the last element. Understood? Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Yeah. If you see, now I will get my execution perfectly. See, I am getting output in a same order. Okay. Now let me print in the same line. That's with a space I will print. See, guys, are you able to observe? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16. Elements are arranged in a systematic order. Am I correct? Because here I am using greater than symbol. If you use less than, it will arrange in descending order. You can check here. In descending order. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? If you are done with this, you have half an hour of time. You can able to go with multi-dimensional array. Clear, clear. Yeah, good, very good. Multi-dimensional array means storing addresses of array in array. Okay, like this int double array. Okay, here I am using a two-dimensional array. In this array, I want to store another elements of array. Okay, you can create like this new int of 3 comma 4 like this. This will say the first array, this will say the inner array. Okay, if I write the program you will get it clearly, guys. Okay, inside array I am storing one more array like this. See, this is array. In this array I am storing one more array like this 1 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 comma 4. For this the denotation is like this, guys. Okay, 2 comma 3. 2 refers the elements in the main array, 3 refers the inner elements. Okay, like this. What are the inner elements in the inner array? Okay, understood, guys? This 2 refers the outer array, this 3 refers the inner array. If you see the program you can check it. Array of arrays, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is one array. Again I am storing 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, 7 comma 8 comma 9. That's it, guys. Like this I have created array. Understood? If you want you can write like this. You can write array of arrays. Understood? Inside array I am storing the array. This is one array. These are three different arrays. These three arrays are stored inside a one more array. Understood? Container inside a container. One box inside another box, guys. Are you able to understood? For iterating elements also, I need two loops, guys. Okay. For iterating elements in this also, I need two for loops. This B will say me the give me the arrays. How many arrays are there? How many individual arrays are there? In that B, I need to iterate all the elements. That's it, guys. If you say I'm getting all the elements, okay, let me delete this. Are you able to observe this? I'm getting all the elements. But 1, 2, 3 is a separate array. 4, 5, 6, it is a separate array. 7, 8, 9, it's a separate array. Understood, guys? Are you clear this? If you are clear with this, I will go with the spiral pattern. See guys, spiral pattern means like this I have printed. Next I need to print in reverse order, right? It is not possible to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is printed. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this also 5 is printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Based on our size, the array, the spiral pattern should become, guys, okay? If I use 5, 5 rows, 5 columns. Like this also 5, like this also 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Check here. Like this also 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this 5. My pattern should go like this, guys, okay? Understood? If you clearly observe, my pattern should go like this. For this, first I will write the program, then I will explain, guys, okay? If I sit and explain, after that I will write the program, it will take 1 hour of time. But we have only 30 minutes of time. So first, I will write the program, see the program. I will explain each and every line, okay? Now I will create a method. Whenever I call this program, that means whenever I call this method spiral, based on the size, it will give me a pattern, guys, okay? It will give me a spiral pattern. Based on this, it will give me a pattern. How it will give me? See here. First, I need to create a two-dimensional array. I have created like this. I have created a size with size gamma size. One is for rows, one is for columns. One is for rows, one is for columns. Understood? Like this I have created. So after that, for specifying direction, I will create a, I will use switch case, guys, okay, here. If you see the program pattern, after coming to edge, my direction should go down, am I correct? After coming to the fifth place, after coming to this place, my direction should go like this. Are you able to understand, guys? Please respond. By after printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, I need to change my direction like this. After printing 9, I need to change my direction like this. After printing here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this. I need to change my direction to upside. After this 14, 15, 16. After printing 16, I need to change my direction to right again. Based on this, I need to change my direction, right? For that, I will use switch case, guys, okay? Switch case. First, I will use right, okay? R means right side, guys, okay? Character direction. If it is R, it will go in right side, forward direction. Okay. Now int row equal to 0 comma column equal to -1. Just see why I am using column equal to -1. Whenever I am writing program, you will get to know. If I explain this all things now and I will explain after the program also, it will take more time. So just first see what I am writing, try to understand it. After that I will explain one more time. Now switch. Switch will work on the direction, guys. Okay. Based on the direction it will work. Case if it is a forward direction, then I need to write my forward direction code. Oh, before that I need to write a for loop. Before that I need to write a for loop for giving the numbers, right? Here why I am using size into size means you will get to know. Okay, because if it is a if the input is 5, then I will get 25 characters, 25 numbers. If my input is 6, I will get 36. Okay, 36 digit. That's why I am using size into size. Now in the matrix, now I will print first 0 position and first position in a matrix, right? Assume that it is a matrix. It is a matrix like this. This position I will print store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this I need to store. This is the column 1. Am I correct? Column 1 and row 0. Row 0, column 1. Are you able to follow, guys? This is the row 0 and column 1. Same. Row 0 and -1 means plus plus column. Pre-increment. That means increment then use. First increment the value, then use it. It will become 0. Whatever I am saying, don't trust blindly. Here I am saying that row 0, row 0, column 1. Is this column 1, guys? Is this is a column 1? Please respond. No, it is a column 0. Row 0, column 0. Here I am writing -1. Plus plus -1 means it will become 0. In 0 comma 0, store 1. In next direction will be R. 0 comma 1. That means this is 0 comma 1. This place is 0 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 2. 0 comma 3. 0 comma 4. Understood? Like this. Once it is done, I need to change my direction. Am I correct? To change the direction, I need to check the condition. When I need to change my direction, Understood guys? Why I am writing column equal to size minus 1? Why I am writing? Hey, tell me, wait. I need to first print the first line, right? First I will print the first line. Then while I am printing like this, if you observe here the pattern, in the same row I need to print 5 elements like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the right direction, I need to print in the same row. In the downward direction, I need to print in the column same. Column is constant. Here row is constant. In the same row, I need to print elements. While I am in downward direction, column will be constant, row will be increased, right? If it is a rightward direction, forward or backward, then I need to print in the same direction, same row. If I am going up or down, then column should be constant, row should be increment or decrement. If this condition satisfy, I will change the direction to that means what this condition says, column equal to. Now what is the column number guys? Assume that my column number is 5. Size minus 1. Our size is our size is 5. That means size minus 1 I am taking. Whenever my column is 4, if these two are matched, just now I explained right, 0 comma 4. In the 0 comma 4, 5 will be stored. In the 0 comma 4 position, 0 row, 4th column position, I will store 5. When it becomes 5, I need to change the direction to downward. Understood guys? Here same I am doing. Whenever column becomes 4, that means whenever 5 is printed, change the direction to downward. Forget about this, I will explain in the next iteration. Now, up to now 5 is printed. Like this my pattern is printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is printed. Now my direction is gone down. Now my direction is going down guys. This is completed. Up to now this is completed. Now I equal to 5. 5 is completed. It becomes 6. Direction equal to downward direction. I am changing direction to downward. Now for downward I will write a large. After this I need to break, right? If I am not breaking the conditions, cases, it will iterate all the things. Now in downward direction, what I need to do? A of plus row what it means guys? Just now I explained, right? Just now I have explained. When I am going upward or downward, I need to stay in same column. I need to stay in same column, but I need to change the rows. Here this is row, you can call it row. This is called it column. When I am in downward direction, in the same column I need to print. But row is changed, right? Row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Column 1, column 0, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So whenever I am going in downward direction, I need to increase the column Did I need to increase the column or did I need to increase the row in downward direction? When I am going downward, which should be increased? That means it should be changed. Row, yeah. I am doing plus plus row, okay? That's why whenever I am doing in downward direction, in the downward direction, I am doing row plus plus and keeping column as same. Now, once it is done, I need to change the direction, right? Now it is printed like this. Now 9 has printed. I need to go like this. 9 is printed. For checking did 9 is printed, I need to write a condition, guys. What that condition is? Same like this. When row becomes size minus 1. Forget about this second condition. I will explain in the next iterations. L means left, guys, okay? Whenever rows become 4, whenever 4 rows is completed, I need to change my direction, am I correct? Whenever I came to row number 4, whenever my control is there, whenever my row is 4, I need to change my direction. That's why here I'm checking whenever row is size minus 1, change the direction, okay? After changing, break it. Break. Now I will go with another case. After left side, now down is completed. I need to go with left. I need to go with left. That means row is constant. In the same row, I need to go with understood, guys, this line? Did you understood this line? Now see what this line means. In the same row, I need to iterate, but column should be first. This is the fourth column. Now I need to come to third column. Third column, print 10, 11, 12, 13. Whenever 13 is printed, that means column is 0, right? Here column will become 0. 0, not 0. Wait. It is 4 comma 0. Am I correct? It is 4 comma 0. In the same row, I need to decrease the columns. Whenever column becomes 0, I need to change the direction. So for this, I will write a if condition. Forget about this second condition. I will explain you. Don't worry, okay? Now tell me, guys. Now my left side is done. Now my left side is done. Now which direction I should move? My left direction is done. That means right is done. Downward is done. I need to go with up. Yeah. That is upward. After that, break. case up. In upward direction, which should be constant, guys? In upward direction, which should be constant? Whenever I am going upward direction, that means I am going in this direction. 14, 15, 16. Which should be constant, which should be incremented? Increment or decrement? Column should be constant, row should decrease, right? Column is constant, row should decrease. Same thing here I will do. Minus minus row, column is constant. That's it. Now here comes the main logic, guys. Okay. Here now I have printed here. 16 is printed. Now I need to change the direction, right? I should not replace this character. I should not replace the first position. From here I need to change the direction. That means if like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I am printing. Which character is printed? 15. Here 15 is printed. Before going to next one, I need to check if it is empty or not. If it is 0 only, I should go with up. If it is not 0, that means it is containing 16. If it is 16, I should change the direction like this. Are you able to understand, guys? Here 16 is printed like this. Now I need to decide in which direction I want to go. If there is no element in this place, if it is 0, proceed to the upward. If it is not 0, change direction to rightward. Understood? If it is 16, for the next iteration I will check the next element in this place. If it is 0, I will go with upward direction. If it is not 0, then I will change the direction. See the logic here. If it is not equal to 0, direction will be changed. Understood, guys? Row minus 1. Now currently my cursor is printing here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12 is printed. Now I want to move for 13. If I want to move for 13, I will check the first. Before printing, I will check. If it is 0, print. If it is not 0, then change the direction. Understood, guys? Before printing all this, 12 is printed. Now I need to change my direction to this. Before printing this, I will check if it is 0 or not. If nothing is there, means these are zeros, right? Like this, assume all are zeros. I have written long notes. Okay, wrong. Like this I have 5 into 5 is correct, right? Before going to this direction, first I will check the element here. If it is 0, replace with 13. Next, going to next one. Before going to next one, if it is 0, replace with 14. If it is 0, replace with 15. Understood, guys? But this order is not correct, I know. Here I need to write 13 also, okay? 12, 12, 13, 0, 0, 0. Now order is correct. Before going to print here, I will check. If it is 0 only, print there. If it is not 0, change the direction. If it is not equal to 0, change the direction right side. Now once here, this all will be replaced with 14, 15, 16. Now the condition will check. Now here is this 0? Is this element 0? Is this element 0, guys? No. That means direction will go to rightward again. Now my direction changed. Here it will print 17, 18, 19. But if I print like this 6 will replace with 20, right? This 6 will be replaced with 20. To avoid this problem, in the right hand direction, see, column plus 1 not equal to 0. That means before printing to the next column, I am checking. If it is 0, print. If it is not 0, change the direction. Are you able to understand, guys? Column plus 1. Before printing this, I am checking. Did here 0 is there? If it is 0, replace with it 17. If it is 0, replace with it 18. If it is 0, replace with 19. But here 0 is not there. At the time, change the direction. If it is not equal to 0, change the direction to downward. Now direction change like this. Again direction goes like this. Understood, guys? If I print the program, you will get to know. But see, I think so everyone clear, right? After that, I will return that array. That's it. These elements are stored in an array. Now I will return that array. Okay? All the elements are stored in an array. Now, you guys already know how to print elements from an array, right? How to print elements, guys? First, I need to call this method, right? Int array a equal to spiral of, I will take size 5 itself, okay? Currently I will take 5 itself. After that, I need to print elements in a. It is a is a two-dimensional array. In this array, it contains columns and rows, right? It contains columns and rows. For this, I will iterate. In this, I will write one more for loop. I will use print method, guys. After that, I will print the element. And next, if you see, whenever you want to give a space tab in the word, you can say, if I type like this and I give tab, whenever I press tab, it will change, right? You know tab, right? One tab space. This is a tab space. Am I correct, guys? Whenever I press tab, it will move one tab. It will move one cell. To achieve that in Java, you need to give like this, guys, okay? /t. This will give me the one tab space. After printing one line, I will print a new line. That's it. This will give me a new line. First, I will print all the elements in one line. Later, I will add a new line. I will go with for loop again. If you check the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you got the answer, guys? Understood, everyone? If you want, you can check the program, track the program one more time. In the time, I will give you attendance. Let me give you attendance link. Here I am using println method. For loop will execute. First, control will come into this for loop, guys. Okay. Fill the attendance link. Those who have doubt how it is getting, see here. Control will come here in this for loop and it will enter. Inside for loop, there is one more for loop. This for loop. For this for loop, I am writing only this statement. If you want, you can see like this. This for loop. After this for loop, once one for loop is printed, I am adding a new line. That means one after completing one array, before going to next array, I am printing the new line. Understood? See, my array is like this. It is a collection of arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this my array. Next array is based on my output. It is 16, 17, 18, 19 and 6. This is my second array. Like this I have arrays. Once this array is completed, I will add a space here. I will add space after every single array. Now you can take the program, okay? You can take a screenshot of the program. Yeah, guys. You can take screenshot of it and try yourself. Without trying, you won't get anything. Is it done? Everyone done? Take the remaining part also, okay? That's all for today, guys. Tomorrow we will discuss a interview question. Now itself I will tell you the question also. I have two arrays, guys. Okay, I have two arrays. In my array one, I have some duplicate elements. One. Okay, I will take string array. Daily I am taking integer array, right? Today it's not possible, guys, to change the timings. We have some other works. So I will try to start early. Okay, if possible, I will start the class early. Okay. Now my question is, see here. Tomorrow what we are going to discuss is there are two arrays. Hi, one string. Hello, one more string. Avento, one more string. Like this, I have a array, and one more second array is there, guys. Array one, A1, array A2. In this also, hi is there. How is there? Okay, guys is there. These are two different arrays, guys. Tell me, is there any common string in these two arrays? Any common string in these two arrays? Hi. Now my output should be, I need to remove the duplicates, okay? Hi. I need to store it in different array, guys, okay? Hi, hello, Avento, how, guys. My array should contain like this. Understood, guys? Understood? I am not in the WhatsApp group, guys, okay? I can't able to respond. I'm not in the WhatsApp group. So these are the input, guys. Whenever user give like this, user will give two arrays in which duplicate elements are there. Now my output should be like this. I need to remove duplicates and I need to merge two arrays into a single array. For this, we will write a program in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow whole class will be deal with this, and I will tell some simple programs in arrays. How to delete duplicate elements in array. Okay, I will tell that. After that, I will tell this program. And later, if you have any doubts, you can ask me the doubts. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your valuable time. That's all for today. Good night. Yeah, definitely. I will try to start early as possible as early, okay? But here we are facing some issues. To avoid disturbance to you, I am making delay, okay? We are facing some construction issues, some sound disturbances. To avoid that, I am starting the class late, okay? Little bit late. But I will complete the syllabus. Don't worry. Whatever the time I am wasting, I am getting late. I am covering right. Actually, before by starting at 8:20, I am closing by 9:20. But now I am starting by 8:40 and closing by 10. The whole time is covered, guys. I am taking more time. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye. If you have any doubts, make a note of it and ask me in tomorrow's class.